Okay. Hi. Actually, that was to help focus the camera. It had a little difficulty focusing. I like to look at a slightly different approach. When you look at the slide, and we got that, the way the textbook does it is it takes this 2x minus 3 and multiplies it by x squared and then separately. It's maybe not something that you're used to doing. A lot of us did it this way. We just took 2x times x squared, 2x times 7, 2x times 4, and then negative 3 times x squared, negative 3 times 7x, and negative 3 times 4. So we did each of them in pieces. It does it a little differently in the textbook, but this works perfectly well. In fact, I like this way a lot better. 2x times x squared is 2x cubed, right? Because that's 1 plus 2. And then 2x times 7x is 14x, and it's a positive. 2x times 4 is going to be plus 8x, right? Negative 3 times x squared is minus 3x squared. Negative 3 times 7x is minus 21x. And negative 3 times 4 is minus 12. And if you do it all in pieces like that, then all you need to do is collect like terms. And it's actually, I'm going to look at this again, but it feels to me like it's a lot less steps, right? So I get 2x cubed, because that's the only cubed. Now I'm going to look at my squares, okay? And this should have been 14x. I was missing a square there, right? Because 2x times 7x, 14x squared. But I look at my squares, I got 14x squared minus 3x squared. Looks to me like plus 11x squared. I'll just step back there and you can have a look. And then it looks like a positive 8x and a negative 21x. And that is a negative 13x. And then I'm left with negative 12. Okay. And you'll notice that using that approach, it only takes 2 lines and you get the exact same answer. If you're looking and saying, how did he collect like terms? Well, I noticed that this here matched up with this. So I had to collect those to put them together. And I noticed that this here and that there, those were like terms as well because they both just had an x. And if you look here and you go over and look at the slide, you get the exact same answer in less steps. So if you use this approach, as I have used that approach, continue to use that approach, it'll work for you every time.